Okay, you guys, so I am here at this tattoo place called Tattoo Fiesta in Georgia, and I'm about to get my very first nipple piercing. So I am terrified, and I'm gonna be putting this video up on my channel, and wish me good luck. Look at all these things. Oh my god. Alright, we'll see how this goes, guys. Wish me luck. ¿Quién se murió?
Una muchacha que también le hicimos.
And she died? Are you for real? I'm about to walk out of here. Did she really die? Oh my
También tenemos video.
You guys are so bad. I just feel this. I forgot to mention that I'm not just gonna get my nipples pierced. I am also gonna be getting my nose pierced. So I guess it will be a 2-in-1 video. Which one are we doing first? The nipples? You know what? Let's do the nipples first just to get it out of the way. That way I can distract myself from the pain once I'm doing the nose.
Primero de los nipples?
Yeah. And I want them like this, not like that.
I think they only do them.
Oh, okay, because I saw pictures online and people had them like that, and I'm like, ugh.
Cualquiera.
Quiero así, así.
Siempre, chicas, siempre.
Oh my god! Fuck my life! Ay, cómo duele.
It's like a little pinch, right?
Fuck no! This is so painful. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Ay.
To change them out?
Esto duele más que cuando me ponen uña. Oh my god, that's so painful. You know what? It doesn't really hurt that bad now. It's okay.
Fast, right?
Oh my god. Okay, that one hurt a lot more. Oh my god. I'm done with my life. Oh my god. This one hurt a lot more.
It's always one that hurts.
Sure. Me hubiese dicho.
This has spray for 1016. It's probably close.
Okay.
If you don't want to buy it, just use sea salt and water.
Okay.
3 times a day for
No, relaja la mano.
Alright you guys, so I'm leaving that tattoo place. It's called Tattoo Fiesta. It's in Lawrenceville, Georgia. I just got both my nipples pierced and my nose pierced. Oh my god, the pain, I can't even explain. Like I did the mistake of looking at videos before I got mine done. Let's just say that it is excruciating. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up, share this video with everyone, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.